Hello guys, welcome back. In previous two video we have learned how we can create linked list in Go language. In first video we learned how we can create a linked list and how we can insert a node and display the node from the linked list. In the second video we learn how we can delete from the beginning and how we can delete from the last of the node. Now in this video we are going to learn the three concepts in simple linked list, that is option 5, that deleting from specific position. Means if I give any position, that position number 1, 2, 3, 4 as per the linked list available, then it will delete the node from the specific position. Then I say option 6, that insert at a specific position. So we want to add a node at a specific location. And last option, that 7 option, that insert at beginning. And what I did in the first video, that insert value, that was insert at last. It was also insert at last. That display linked list, and then we have deleting from beginning, deleting from last. We have learned in previous video. In this video we will discuss about deleting from a specific position. So to understand how we can delete this node, just go to the MS Paint. Here I have a linked list example. That first option, that delete a node from a specific location. If I say we have to delete from this second node, or I have to delete this third node, and I have to delete the first node, so it work as per the instructions. So what are the rules to delete linked list? If I say I have to delete this node 56, so what I have to do before deleting this, that the address of C should be passed to B. Means the address of C I have to pass to B. So in place of B I have to pass the address of C, because B node has been deleted and after A we have a node C. So that's why I have to replace a node A next with the node C, because the node B we want to delete. Similarly, if I want to delete the C node, then I have to delete the C information from B node, and in place of that I have to add the D node here, and in place of C I have to insert here D, like this. So that is all about deletion from a specific position. So if I say Ctrl Z here, again I have a linked list here. But if I want to insert a node at a specific location, if I say I want to insert a node, one new node I want to insert, this node I want to insert here. For example, this node I want to insert, and this having a value 76. This node I want to insert after the B, means I want to insert here. Then I want to connect to C node. So what I have to do, I have to pass the address of this, maybe this node is E. So I have to insert the E here in place of C, like here, and in E I have to pass a C, and then C having a rest of the linked list. So that connectivity I have to remove. This one I have to remove. So this way we can insert new record at a specific position. And the third final thing that we are going to learn in this video is insert at beginning. So if I insert a new node at the beginning here like this, so what I have to do, I have to pass here address of A, and this node, suppose it's F, then I have to change the A here, change the head to F, then we have to change the head to F. So head value will replace, now head will point to this node and this node will point to A. So that would be the new starting node from a linked list. So these are the operations that we are going to perform in this video. Let's go for coding now. So we have deleting for a specific position. For that, again I have to create a function. So I say func node, that is a method in Go language under structure. So I say delete specific like this function, and for deleting a specific location, first of all I create a P, and here I say linked list, and I pass here node, address of node like this. Now I have to run for loop, and I say that I equal to 0, I less than position, means I have to pass here the number, first is number and second is position in type, so where I want to store the information, and I say I plus plus. So P equal to P next. If location is found, then I have to say P dot num equal to num I have to create a node also, new node, I say temp, and I create a linked list for that, and in this temp what I have to do, because I want to insert at a specific position, so under this temp what I have to do, I have to say the temp having a num value, number equal to num. Now this temp next value would be P dot next to next, and P dot next would have the temp like this. I save it. So we run the linked list from the first node to the last node, to the specific position, sorry. If the position found, then we have to create a new node, and that node next should have the next of the P, because P next would be the position. So and P next would be the temp new node, and this next having the next node of the linked list. So this function is created. Now we have one more function that we say no insert at a specific position. So I say insert specific, here I say num, and sorry, here it was a delete, so I just did wrong coding. I have to change it to the insert. This operation is for insert specific, and that would be for delete. Because here I am inserting a value, new value at a position, and here I have to pass only the position because I want to delete the value. Okay, so it is for insertion, insert as specific position. Now we have to delete from the specific position. For that, again I have to create a p variable, then I say linked list, then I have to pass a node, then I have to use a for loop that for I 0, I less than position, I plus plus, like this, p equal to p dot next, same thing. But here what I have to do, I have to say p dot next equal to p dot next dot next. So I am replacing the existing next with node with the next node. So this node will be replaced by the next node. So existing node will remove automatically. That is deleting from a specific position. Now we have the last one, insert at beginning. So for insert at beginning, we have a function node linked list, and I say insert at beginning, and here I have to pass a num of int type, and I have to insert at beginning. So for that, again I have to create a temp like this, linked list. Then because I have to insert at a beginning, so I say temp dot number equal to num, which we are passing here. Then temp dot next would be the node dot next, and here the node would be temp, like this, and I have to return this node, new one. Here I have to specify the linked list. So all three functions done. First function was insert at a specific position, delete from a specific position, then insert at beginning. Now I have to create a choices. So I just copy and I just paste and paste. So we have a choice 5, then 6, then 7. So here choice 5th is delete from a specific position. So I have to say head dot delete specific, and here I have to pass the position. So I have to take value. So I say that where s position string, and I say that fmt dot println, and I say insert position to delete. Then I say fmt dot scan ln as position. Now I have to convert this to position variable into integer, that would be str conversion, and I say as position like this. So position we have taken. Now I have to again copy and paste for getting a number. So I say where data string, and here I say insert number to add, or insert value. to add, and here I say data and I convert data to number, and here I pass the delete. Sorry, again I am just using a insert. It is for insert, so I just passing the num and the position. Again I'm doing a same mistake. So that I have to use here insert specific. Okay, and this code is not for delete, so this is for 6-1 here for insert at a specific position. Now for delete at specific position, same code we have, but I have to just ask the deletion only, like this, the position where I want to delete a node. So that is also done, no need of this variable. So insertion is done, deletion is done. Then we have to call head equal to head dot insert at beginning, and here I have to pass a num value. Insert at beginning, that means I have to take only this part of this portion. So I just pass here and I say where data string. So like this, and here I have to pass data, and here I have to pass data phone number. So I have to remove this, okay, because here I have to call insert specific position, and here I have to call delete from a specific position, and here I have to call I have to remove this because it is not for specific, it is for deleting from the beginning, sorry, inserting at the beginning. So we have a code here, deleting. So insert position to delete, then node will delete. Then insert position to insert. We say enter position to insert. Enter position to insert. We can say enter position to delete. Okay, we can say enter value to add. Similarly, we can say enter value to add. So if I say then everything is okay, I just save this, and after save I try to run it. So I just drag this terminal, and here I say go run linked list. So it asks for insert, so I say first I just create a node, again I add one more node, again I add one more node, and I display this. So 3 nodes are there. So the third thing is deleting from a beginning. So if I delete from a beginning, so I say third option. You see the third one is 23. So I say the 23 has been removed. Delete from a last. So if I say 4 option, then 78 will remove. So display here 78 remove. Now again I insert in one more node like this, and I display. So 2 nodes are there. Now delete from a specific position. One more I add and display, and I say second node should be removed. That means 67 should be removed. So here I say delete from a specific position 5. It asking for position. I say second number I want to delete. So delete and display this. You see the second number has been deleted. So again I insert one more node 78. Again one more node I want to insert. display, and I say then I want to delete a third node. Third is 78. So 78 I want to delete. So I say 5 option. It asks for position and I say third I want to delete. Then I display, you see 78. It remove 90. So because I starting it removing from the, because I am starting node from 0. So I have to start from 1. Delete is specific because I am starting from 0. I have to start it from 1. And again for insert at specific position, I have to start from 1. Okay. Then we see again. So I run it again. Again I insert the value. So I have these node. Now I want to delete the one more node I want to add first of all. Then I want to delete a 34 at third position. So I say the fifth option and enter the third here, and you see the 34 has removed. Now I want to insert at a specific position. That means I want to insert after 56. So I want to insert at second position. So I say 6 option. It asks me to position to insert. I say I want to insert at second. What value I want to insert? I want to insert 100. Now I display. You see the 100 is display, but my value is removed. So that means it replacing the value. Something is wrong in my code. So I test 7 also. Delete insert at beginning. So I say 7 option and I want to add 200 at the beginning and I run. So 200 is also not coming. So that means there is some problem here. So I have to check code once again. So I pass delete at insert at beginning. So I create a temp node. I pass number here and the node, the next node I pass here in temp next, the first node address. Then I pass temp to node dot next. Sorry, I have to pass here. Then done this one, and delete is okay, but insert is not working. So if I am on a position, okay, I am starting from 1, reaching to the position, then new node value is here, then temp is the temporary node that I want to add the address of next node, and in it next I want to add temp. That is the okay. Now once again I just close this and try to run once again, and now I want to insert the code. First of all, you see the 4 values are there. So if I run the 5 delete from a specific position, I want to delete 89, means from the third position. So I say 5 option, the position is third, which I want to delete. I want to delete 89. If I display again, you see 89 has been removed. Now I want to insert information 200 after 67. That means I want to insert at the second position. So I say 6 option. I want to insert at second position. The value is 200. If I see this, you see 200 is inserted at second position. Now I want to insert the 300 at the 4 position, 1 2 3 4. So I say again 6 option and I want to insert at 4 position. I want to insert 300 and I run it. You see 300 is on 4 position. Now I want to insert at the beginning. So beginning is the 12. So before 12 I want to insert a 400, so I say option number 7 and I want to insert a 400 here. Again I display, so now first element is 400. So you see all operations are working properly. So this is the way to insert at a specific position, delete from a specific position, and insert at the beginning in linear linked list, in simple linked list. So we have seen all the options available in single linked list. In future video we will discuss about doubly linked list and all the operations those are performed in doubly linked list. So if you learn anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I am just waiting you for next video also. Thank you.